Hey, welcome back. So today we're going to discuss which squeegee blade is ideal for your application. You notice we have three varieties here. I'm going to start with the blade that's closest to me. It's probably the highest performance blade, but it's also the softest material. This tannish color back here is regular straight gum rubber. It is the softest and most supple. Think of it like a racing tire. Nice and tacky, high performance, but they will wear out quickly, so you want to be careful not to run this blade on an abrasive or an oily environment. These are ideal for a very high gloss floor or a very sensitive floor surface, like perhaps a marble floor. All right, next we're going to move up to the red blade in the front here. Okay, this red blade is not cheap imported red rubber from who knows where. This is Linatex, made here in the United States. It should say Linatex on the blade. I know that all of ours do. The red Linatex blade, think of it as an all-terrain tire. Works well in every application. Grouted tile, textured epoxy floors, smooth wax surfaces, you name it, the Linatex is supple but very durable. Moving back here to the blue Primathane urethane blades. This blade is a standout. Think of it like a mud tire. It is purpose-built and ideal when you get into an oily, greasy environment, maybe cutting fluids in a machine shop, let's say the back in the service department of a car dealership where you're picking up gasoline, cutting brake fluid, diesel fuel, things like that. This blade will not get that ripple bacon appearance like you would see on either the Linatex or the gum rubber. It's also very resistant to abrasion. So if you have a highly gritted epoxy floor, Primathane's the blade for you. I hope that helped explain the difference between gum rubber, Primathane urethane, and Linatex squeegee blades.